welcome to Hulan. Summertime and we always look for this recipes and which are quick and easy and no cooking recipes, and as well as there should be weight loss recipes or diet control recipes, no gluten recipes. So here is one of them. This is the cucumber and raw mango raita, quick and easy recipe, and a bunch of freshness and gluten-free recipe, as well as it will give you that coolness effect during the hot summer days. So stay tuned for the recipe and let's quickly check out how I made it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification to see my next uploads. Alright, so since this is summer special recipe, I'm using fresh cucumber and fresh raw mango, and I washed the raw mango and fresh cucumber and I'm cutting it after peeling it, as you can see here. So this is cucumber and raw mango raita. So let's add the roasted peanut powder, adding just 1 tablespoon, maybe a little more if you like the crunchiness. So here, along with the cucumber and raw mango, I have added 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced coriander and slid to the chili and just added that. And I have this beautiful fresh mint. This is homegrown mint, so I'm just going to get the fresh mint out of the plant here, wash them, and just going to crumble it and put it in the okay. So I have washed the mint. This is beautiful homegrown fresh mint and nothing like it. Beautiful fresh flavors here. It's perfect touch for the summer. Alright, so I've added 2 tablespoons of crushed roasted peanut powder, and I just added the mint. So let's add some flavoring. I have this yogurt. I make yogurt at home, and look at this thickness of the yogurt. Just so easy, just like how our moms used to do it. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt, adding 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste. Again, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. Let's make it real simple because we need to enjoy the fresh flavor or the taste of the raw mango and the cucumber. So I'm not adding nothing much, just green chili and crushed black pepper, and let's mix this well. And our fresh cucumber raw mango raita is ready. You can give tempering of cumin, or you can also add roasted cumin powder if you like that flavor, but I like it just as simple as this. So this raita can be eaten as a side dish, or if I have nothing else in my house, just make this and eat this beautiful fresh raita. And believe me, the raw mango and this mint flavor in this raita is just something you will enjoy in the summer. So my cucumber raita is ready. Here you go. I have added some cucumber and raw mango, top it up with some coriander, and of course garnish this with the fresh mint. Look at this, how delicious this looks. If you do not have yogurt, you can add lemon juice, and you can also add bunch of other vegetables such as fresh capsicum or bell pepper, or freshly grated carrot, so, and tomato or onion, anything like that. So enjoy this cucumber and raw mango raita with any rice dish or just like that as a salad. And since you see, it is so easy and so quick to make, just bunch of freshness. And enjoy this healthy recipe and stay tuned for the next recipe. Till then, take care and goodbye. Stay hydrated and stay cool. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Do try it at home and let me know how you like it in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.